Hi everyone, I will show you how to view Snapchat message histories. First of all, you need to go to your Snapchat settings and scroll down at the end. Now tap to a My Data option. Now you need to select all these options. Now you need to filter your export date. Now tap here and select your date and confirm your email right here. Now go back and open your email and tap to click here option. Now you need to enter your username. Now enter your password. Now you need to tap a See Export option and tap to download. Now open it. Now you need to tap to HTML. Now tap to a chat history option and tap to extract. Now you need to extract this file in any empty folder. Now extract here. Now tap the chat history and tap to open. Now you can see there is a chat history of Snapchat. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.